new body cam video showing a dazed and sweaty Tiger Woods speaking with police after his rollover crash that led to his DUI arrest.
Can you tell me what happened real quick?
Yeah, I was looking down at my phone, going to look at cheating stations, and next thing you know, boom.
Host of the Crime and Justice podcast and the weekly rap sheet on Fox Nation, Donna Rotunno joins me now. Donna, he appeared lethargic, he was hiccuping, and also he appeared pretty darn relaxed for someone who just flipped an SUV. How are prosecutors going to use this footage against him?
Well, I think they're going to use it a couple of different ways. Now, you know, that's presuming this case ever gets to trial, which I'm not so sure that it will. But in terms of the video itself, they will be able to say, yes, he was talking slowly and he didn't seem to have, you know, a racing heart for somebody who was just in a car who's, you know, that flipped over on its side and he had to climb out. Now, however, what it also shows is somebody who can have a conversation. It shows somebody who's walking fine. It doesn't show anybody who's stumbling or slurring. So, you know, he definitely sees a lethargic Tiger Woods, but I'm not so sure we see somebody that is so impaired that without any chemical tests we're going to be able to say was actually driving under the influence.
And you're segueing beautifully into my next question. As the great criminal defense attorney that you are, I'm going to now have to ask, what else would you seize upon to get Tiger off the charges in this case?
Well, I think one thing the prosecutors will do also is use the phone call claiming, you know, he was on the phone with the president. I think they will say that that is consciousness of guilt. No other reason to make that phone call if not. But if I am defending Tiger Woods, I am saying that you cannot prove what was in his system that would cause him to be impaired. Obviously, anybody that is in a rollover accident may seem dazed or confused, maybe even a little lethargic from the shock. So, you know, I think that there's definitely defensible issues here. There are no tests showing what's actually in his system. He blew a 000 on the blood alcohol content test. So, you know, given that, yes, there were pills in his pocket, but there is no evidence that he actually ingested any medication. There's no other pill bottle anywhere. So, you know, I think from a DUI standpoint, he looks like he's in a position to defend it vigorously. The refusing the chemical test, I think, is a different story, and that's probably where we will see a plea.
They do say Donald Trump finds his way into every story. Yep. Here, too, to your point, you mentioned the phone call. Here it is. Listen.
Mr. Woods. Get you to hang out down here with us, please.
Thank you so much. All right. You got it. All right. Thank you. Bye. Say again?
Just keep you down here with us, please.
Yeah, I was just talking to the president.
And you said that prosecutors are going to use that as evidence of consciousness of guilt. Put all of this together. Had you on last week talking about this case, or maybe it was earlier this week talking about this case. You said, you know, Tiger's probably not going to go to jail. Does any of that change in light of this video?
I don't think so. And I think given the fact that he has gone to treatment since you and I last spoke, and he made that request of the court to leave the country to go to treatment, I think that will play very well in terms of the way this case is disposed of.
Donna Rotunno, as always, thank you. And remember, you can listen to Donna on new episodes of Crime and Justice, which drop twice weekly on YouTube, Spotify, Apple, and wherever podcasts are found. You can also watch the brand new episode of the weekly rap sheet, available today, 2 p.m. Eastern on Fox Nation, and catch new episodes every Friday. A happy Easter weekend to you, my friend.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.